How to change YouTube handle on phone or desktop. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Launch your YouTube app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. Now at the top right corner you can find your profile icon. Tap on it. Now head towards the option of your channel. Open it. Now over here you will find this pen kind of icon. Tap on it. From here you can easily change your YouTube handle. All you have to do is head towards the option of handle, tap on it. Now you can remove your old YouTube handle in this way. Now type in new YouTube handle for your YouTube channel. This will be visible to anyone on YouTube. You can change your handle back within 14 days. This becomes your channel URL. Handles can be changed twice every 14 days. After you type in that, you can tap on this option of save given at the top right corner. With that, your YouTube handle will be changed. So this is how you can change YouTube handle on phone or desktop. The process is similar for desktop and phone. So this was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.